everyone, welcome back to my channel today. If you're new, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a skincare project pan update. I haven't filmed one since March. I feel like I have not been very good with the project pan. One being not updating you with how everything has been going, what I've been emptying from my whole tray here in front of me. I feel like not much has changed. I've been very basic with my skincare routine. I haven't really been reaching for these products that much. I know I should, because the whole point of it is to get rid of all of what is in front of me, because things could be expiring, they might already be a little old, but I absolutely just need to use up these products so I can move on to another group of products that are unopened and just waiting for me to use. Also, what I have not been good about is that a lot of the products that were originally in here that I took out, I may have already thrown out because they were empties, and I may have already mentioned them in an empties video, or maybe I haven't, and they are probably sitting in this entire basket that I have to film. Basically, without further ado, let's get right on to the video. I can just go on and I can just keep talking about everything without actually directing you, hey, we're gonna get into the video now. I can just keep the intro going for a long time. So I'm basically just going to show you very carefully what this tray looks like. It's full, but it's not as full as the last time. So it's a little bit emptier. We got some empty spaces in there. I have added some products, and some of those added products I probably haven't even used. What I've been kind of gravitating towards past few months: deluxe size sample of the Peach and Lily Wild Dew Treatment Essence Drench Plus Rewind. It has lotus and bamboo in it. An essence is a product that you would put on after your toner and before your moisturizer, because you want your moisturizer to sink into your skin better. It kind of just preps the skin for a moisturizer, is my understanding of how an essence works. I did use this. I did like it because it was more of a deluxe sample size. I'm not sure when, but I know at least in the future I want to buy the actual full size. I feel like it's kind of hard with deluxe size sample sizes. I just said sizes twice, but you know what I mean. I just feel like it's a little bit difficult to pull a full review out of something this small, and I think it did last me maybe a month, maybe a little bit under, maybe a little bit over. Either way, I think it was a good product. I feel like I can't say too much about it, but I did like it. That's just gonna go in my empties. This is the Bare Minerals Skin Longevity Long Life Herb Serum. This was a little deluxe size sample, an Ulta Gratis I'd gotten a while ago. I was actually really wanting to try it out because I know that the Skin Longevity line, or the herb line that they have, this line is actually quite popular within the brand. I feel like I don't actually hear anyone talk about it on YouTube. There's a YouTube beauty community, and then there's the offline beauty community. So people that may not have some sort of online presence or even a social media account may just know more about some products than we do. They just stick with the brand that they love the most. But as far as YouTube goes, I haven't really heard anyone talk about it. When I worked in Ulta and I had seen a lot of customers buy the Bare Minerals skincare products, I was like, oh, I've never tried their skincare products. I've tried the mineral water that I did get as a gratis item at one point, and I love that one. But other than that, I haven't really tried skincare from them. I thought it was a great thing that I got this in a gratis bag because I got it for free. I tried it. I don't know what it is, but this does not work on my face. It does not work with my skin type. It makes my face look very dull. My face would be so cleansed, clean, nice looking, refreshed, whether it was the morning or night. And then as soon as I put this serum on, my face just looks so dull. It's this product. I don't know what is in here that's making my face look dull, but I don't like the look of this because my face was just looking great. And then when I put this on, it made my face look like I hadn't washed my face yet. It was that kind of dull skin look. Whatever is left of this, it's just a product that I haven't been gravitating towards because of that reason, but I have been putting it on my neck if I remember to. I should probably put it on right now. My neck could use some products right now. I haven't done a neck routine yet today. It's a product that just doesn't work for me. I wish it did, but it just doesn't, and that's okay. I'm basically just gonna update on products that I'm like actively using. Also an Ulta Gratis product that I got at one point. This is the Beekman 1802 Bloom Cream Probiotic Moisturizer. This is an interesting product. You actually push down on the container and then the moisturizer comes out, and it's like a little design there. So it comes up looking like flower petals, which I think is really neat. It's something very different to packaging. You don't really see a moisturizer packaging looking like this. I loved the way that this made my face look. It made it look so healthy and so dewy and glowy, but it does not work underneath makeup at all. Even putting a primer on top, it makes everything pill. If you put a sunscreen on top, it makes everything pill. And then I'm like, so when am I supposed to use this? Because even if I put it on at night, it makes the other products going on top of it pill. So then I thought, well, I've already used some of it and I can't just let it keep sitting there going unused because it's going to expire, get old. So I decided to put on my neck. Now, I really do like the consistency and the feeling of this formula. Even on my neck, kind of like the serum I just talked about, it makes it look dull, which is weird. I know it's like two different types of skin between like your face and your neck, because one's a little bit more delicate than the other, that kind of thing, but I don't get it. It made my face so glowy, but then it makes my neck look dull. I honestly don't understand it. Even though I like the finish that this moisturizer gave my face when I was trying it out, it broke me out. And I've found that with other products from this brand, something about it, I don't know, it might be the milk in there. I am not going to be gravitating towards that brand. I had high hopes for this because it's actually a bestseller, but it just didn't work for me. So this might have the biggest progress. This is the IT Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Rosy Tone. I got this as a gratis item. A lot of these are gratis items. That is the progress that I made. So with this moisturizer in the jar that it comes in, it is very easy for you to just get a whole glob of the moisturizer when you're putting it on each area of the skin. And I've tried using just one glob for the whole face. It does not work like that. You just need a glob for like each part of your face. I think because it is a jar, and it could even depend on the size of your finger, just a little factor you may not even realize. It does look like I've made some big divots, but that is just how the product comes out. I will say I can see the bottom in little areas of this moisturizer, which makes me happy. I do like this moisturizer a lot. It does make your face tinted pink. It says that you can wear it during the day. I don't really recommend that because it makes your face look pink, and it's more like a noticeable pink, or at least it is on me because my skin is a little bit lighter. If you're a little bit deeper than me, I don't know, I'd try it out at least during the day, maybe if you weren't going anywhere, just to see. But it's also not something that I would put makeup on top. It's a very thick, rich moisturizer. I think best for nighttime because it is a cell renewal turnover moisturizer. So it's just going to help with dead skin cells. When you wake up in the morning, your skin looks more hydrated, it looks more refreshed, it looks brighter. So that's really the whole point of this cream. I just really like it because it is a rosy tone moisturizer. They have the Confidence in a Cream, which is in a yellow packaging. It looks exactly like this jar, it's just yellow, and it doesn't have a tint to it, but I cannot use that moisturizer. It breaks me out. Anything that is in their skincare line that's yellow breaks me out. So I was a little bit nervous to try this one because I thought, well, because it's in that Confidence in the Cream line, it may still have some of the same ingredients as the other one, but this one is different. This one doesn't break me out. This one actually clears up my acne, which is crazy. I did not think it would do that, but I remember when I first tried it out, I tried it out for almost a week straight, and my face just looks so much more clear just from that thick moisturizer. It was very hydrating. Also where I was getting at and then got sidetracked. So because it is called the Rosy Tone Moisturizer, it does have a rose scent. I am not a fan of rose scents. I am not a fan of floral scents. However, this one, it lingers a little bit, but it's nothing crazy, especially if you're going to put it on before bedtime. Definitely wait a little bit because it is thick, but also so it doesn't just smudge all over your pillow, because it's definitely done that on mine. The smell, it's honestly very tolerable to me. Like I said, like I cannot stand rose scents, but I feel like I can tolerate this. I do really like that moisturizer, but I'm happy to be getting it out of my collection just so I can use other ones that I have in my back stock. And then the other moisturizer, so I did have the same size jar of this product. This is also an IT Cosmetics moisturizer. This is the IT Secret Sauce Clinically Advanced Miraculous Anti-Aging Moisturizer. Because this does have a fragrance in it, even though it works great for my face, I've maybe noticed a couple of breakouts here and there if I did use it on my face in the past, but I find that this is an amazing neck moisturizer. It makes your neck look so hydrated and like you don't have tech neck lines. There's a reason why this is called Secret Sauce, because there's something so secret in here that I can't pinpoint that makes her face and neck look so healthy. Going on ingredients, I did just want to mention how the Cosmetics moisturizers and even some of the other things in her skincare line, there's a lot of ingredients. I will point that out. There is a lot of ingredients. It's typically like a full paragraph. So I just want to note that if you're not into long ingredient lists, but if you're interested in any of the points I talked about with each moisturizer, I'd say give it a try. This little one right here, I want to say it was a point perk from Sephora because it was actually on display right when I finished my big jar. So I think I got this because I wanted more of it and I was missing the moisturizers. Yeah, I have this little one. I haven't dipped too much into it. I am definitely nearing the bottom and it is so small that you could just go through this in probably less than a month if you used it every single time you moisturized, or even a week, I don't know. Depending on how much you use, but I do really like that moisturizer. Okay, well, this is actually an item that I'm going to declutter. This is floss from Oral-B. It's their Glide Pro Health. There's a lot of floss still in here, okay? However, where you actually snap the floss off, it is like a bird's nest right there. It is so stuck that I am pulling and pulling and pulling the floss to the point it could go from this wall to maybe even like 5 feet in front of me. It just keeps coming out and it doesn't stop. I feel like I have to get scissors for it to just break off. I do have another one though, which is right here. This one does not have an issue. Maybe seeing a little bit of a bird's nest popping up, but for the most part, I can actually get the floss out and I don't have to get yards of it out. The Odysite Pure Elements Green Ceremony Cleanser Powder to Foam Efficacy Matcha and Spirulina Cleanser Plus. This is more like a physical exfoliating cleanser. It is green. I have used this a few times since my last update. There's still not that much in there. The thing is that with this formula and consistency, I have to like get a metal spoon and dig at the bottom because the product keeps sticking to the bottom, and then I find it hard with the little scoop that comes inside to like scoop out any product. So I kind of just once in a while have to really dig at the bottom. It is a heavy product, so I'm kind of happy to get it out of my collection soon, but it is a great product. Sometimes you just need a physical exfoliant. Chemicals are great. I think it's really based on preference, but chemical exfoliants definitely are the way to go, but sometimes you just need a little bit of grit and that's okay. I can't say if it like clears up my acne or it doesn't clear up my acne. I think it just makes my face overall look a lot brighter and cleansed. This was my mom's product and she gave it to me, so I was not using it from the beginning and middle. She basically gave it to me towards the end. If I had it in my collection again, it wouldn't be an issue. I just don't think I would gravitate towards it all that often because seeing as it's been in my project pan, this is a rolling project pan by the way. Yeah, this has been in here since last year and still not done. So this section with that exfoliating cleanser, that was still the almost gone section. I basically have not used really anything else. I haven't been masking. Even like just not masking just makes my skin better and appear more clear. I don't know, but that was just something I noticed within my own skin. I did use L'Occitane, I don't know how to pronounce this brand, dry skin foot cream. I think it's actually a great foot cream. It's with 15% shea butter. It just has lavender and rosemary, but it is a great product. I just don't really reach for it because I know that it's almost out and then, I don't know, I just keep forgetting about it. There are some other products I'm not going to talk about because I literally have not even gravitated towards them, which isn't good. There are lots and lots and lots of samples. I originally originally had in here, but I have put in recent empties videos, so I would check those out because I did put some new ones in here. Patchology Lip Service Gloss to Balm Treatment. Put like a couple of Patchology ones in here, but I haven't used any because I got this and a couple of other samples from them in an Ultra Gratis bag, and I kind of wanted to try them out on camera. I don't know if this was in here or not, but the Josie Maran 100% Argan Oil Moisturizing Oil sample. There's still a lot of samples from the beginning in here that I have not even touched, but I need to go through them because I don't want them to get old. And something I did put in here was the Ren Perfect Canvas Silicone Free Skin Finishing Serum. So my mom actually gave me this little sample size and then the actual product itself. It's been sitting in my bathroom. It's been staring me in the face every single time I go into the bathroom. I just don't gravitate towards it. I don't know what it is. Well, I kind of do know what it is. The sunscreen I've been using works great underneath makeup, so I haven't been using any primers really, and I just keep thinking that this is a perfume. So I really just have not gravitated towards that little product. My camera just cut me off. I don't know where I left off. Colgate Total little mini toothpaste right here. I may have used that a few times since. I think I also did try the LMS Pro Definition Day Cream, Refining Day Cream for anti-aging. I think my mom gave me this. I think it was too thick for my face, so I'm just gonna have to use it as a neck cream. There's something about this that I may have put underneath makeup and it did not work well. Maybe it pilled. I don't know exactly. I just remember this product not really working for me, and there's something about it that I didn't like, so I'm just gonna move that to all the other neck products I have. So that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. This was a very different update. Like I mentioned in the intro, I haven't been great about updating you guys. At first I was like, oh yeah, I'm going to do monthly updates. It's going to be great. And then I thought, well, maybe I should do 2 months to 3 month updates, or just however it's working out. You can't really see too much from a month. You can in some products, but you can't in others, so I'll figure it out as I go. But subscribe if you want to see more videos on beauty and health, and click that notification bell if you want to be notified when I do upload, which is once a week. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye!